I'm going to show you how you can make 3D printed time lapses like this. As cheaply and easily as possible. What the f am I doing?
So we need a tripod, Bluetooth shutter, and some double-sided sticky tape. Oh, and of course an end of 3. So we're going to take a double-sided sticky tape and cut a piece off.
Where's the damn scissors?
Never mind, we're going to rip the double-sided sticky tape and stick it right here. Then we peel the other side of the double-sided sticky tape off.
Then we peel away. Then we peel away. Come on, man. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Do it! Just do it!
Then we peel away. We peel away the protective layer. Like so.
Then we take the Bluetooth shutter this way and we stick it on here.
Okay, so now the double-sided sticky tape is stuck to the end of 3, and the Bluetooth shutter has been stuck to the double-sided sticky tape. We're ready to move on to the next part. How do we push the damn button?
So
So I designed this part in Fusion 360 to push the button. Here's a time-lapse of it printing. There is no time-lapse because I needed the part printed to record the time-lapse. So now the part is printed. Let's attach it to the printer. Just undo this one screw on the fan case, put the screw into the part, and then screw it back in again. I put it on the wrong fucking way.
So now comes the really boring fun part of the process, where we try and find the X value at where the button is pushed.
So first auto home, then move the Z axis up 10mm so you don't hit anything. Now move the X axis away from the end stop by about 10 or 20mm. Then move it back 1mm at a time until the button is pushed.
Focus, you bitch.
Try this a few times just to make sure that the button is clicked at the same X value each time.
See it click then. Click again.
So now we know the X value at where the button is pushed. We can put these values into a post-processing plugin in Cura.
Here's how to download the custom Cura script. Credit to Simon Germain for writing this, as I lacked the patience to even try. So first you want to download the plugin from GitHub. Then you want to type Cura into the search bar. Go to Open File Location. You might have to do this again like I did. This takes you to the Cura files. Then you want to navigate to Plugins, Post-Processing Plugin, Scripts, and then copy and paste the plugin into this location. Then to get the plugin up in Cura, you go to Extensions, Post-Processing, Modified G-Code, then add a script. Then you want to select Custom Time-lapse and... No, not Time-lapse. Custom Time-lapse. Thank you. So first you just want to check that the plugin is enabled by ticking this box. The first row is used to determine the position of the y-axis at the end of each layer. You can choose any value here really, but I think higher is better because there's less things to get in the way of the photo. Now the next row is for the position of the x-axis. So in this row you just put in the value for the x-axis where the button is pushed. You'll also want to specify a return speed, otherwise it will be super slow. 9000 works well. Pause length of 1 second gives your camera enough time to take the photo. If you're using flash in your camera, increase this a little bit. That's another point. Turn off auto flash on your camera, or this can happen. You want to set the You want to set the retraction anywhere between 3 and 7 millimeters. This just reduces the stringing. When you slice the model, the movements at the end of each layer aren't shown in the preview, and the time also doesn't update, but when you print it, it does work. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, like the damn video and subscribe for more videos like this in the future.